If you love to play calm, relaxing piano music, you're in the right place. Welcome to A Moment of Piano. Let's learn the nostalgic piano song, Way Back When. In this video, levels Chill 5 and Chill 6, we're learning the final version of this song, starting with the right hand, then left hand before putting it all together. We'll build on the previous tutorials here, so if you'd like to play those first, please head to the link above and we'll see you back here soon. The sheet music's on screen, but if you'd like to download a free copy, please head to the link below. Okay, right hand. Looking at the first page, it's very similar to what we know, but we have an extra note in a few places. It's a single quaver, so a half count, right at the end of the bar. We'll play it on the 4 and. For example, on line 2 we have our pair of quavers, crotchet, 1 count, a crotchet rest, a quaver rest, and a quaver. Okay, so how do we count that? 1 and 2, 3, 4 and. If you prefer, you can keep track by counting all the quavers with ands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. As for the notes, we're moving down by step from E to D. Let's play bars 5 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Down to line 3, same idea, but we'll play a crotchet on count 3. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and. We're moving down by step again, G to F, then E. We'll bring the third finger over on the quaver F. Let's play bars 11 to 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. On line 4, 3 crotchets at the start now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. We're moving down by step from G to F to E again, and we'll change to 5th finger on the F. Let's play bars 14 to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, page 2. At first glance we've got some higher notes here and more of our extra quaver notes. We know line 1, but on our high G echo here I'm going to move to 2nd finger to prepare because, yes, we're skipping up to B to play our melody higher. On line 2, all the way back down to thumb on D for the extra quaver. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. And our A-G echo that we know. We know line 3 too, but just at the end, the quaver D here takes us back to our higher melody. Let's use 2nd finger onto 3rd and thumb, then back to our usual fingering. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then continuing with our familiar fingering, but our B is now a quaver. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and. And at the very end we have a C octave. That's 2 next door C's played together for 8 counts. And that's the right hand. Here's the left hand. You might notice that the pattern we play for most of the song has changed a little. We've added a quaver again. So C, skip to G there, and our rhythm will be 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Great! In the first 2 bars of line 4, we have a similar idea with an extra quaver added. So our low A, skip to E, and our higher A from the pattern. G, E again, and a step down from A we have G, which is also part of our pattern. So we have 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. And again, 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. And back to our D and G. Over on page 2, we'll keep playing the pattern of course. Then to line 4, same thing. We have our higher D here, so I'm going to use 2nd finger onto thumb there. And that's all the new notes in the left hand. Okay, it's time to play the song. Feel free to play with one hand at a time if you like. We're here to relax and enjoy, so just do whatever is best for you. We'll play a little slower to start. Let's go. Amazing! Let's play it again a little faster. And there we are. Thank you so much for joining me for a moment of piano. To hear about new videos, please feel free to subscribe below. Have a lovely day.